Learn English to Gujarati, consideration, assessment, criterion, priority and
સંગતતા.
welcome to Smart Choices. Hey, you're about to learn some very useful English and Gujarati words for making decisions, judging ideas, and sounding impressively thoughtful. And yes, even your confused shopping choices can become educational. Today your key Gujarati words are
વિચારણા,
for consideration,
મૂલ્યાંકન,
for assessment or evaluation,
માપદંડ,
for criterion or scale,
પ્રાથમિકતા,
for priority, and
સંગતતા.
for relevance. Think of this chapter as a tiny meeting in your brain, but finally one with snacks and fewer boring spreadsheets. The Great Mango Contest. Let's learn through a ridiculous story, because your memory loves drama almost as much as it loves mangoes. Listen for the Gujarati words as they appear. In a small town, a grand contest was announced. Who sells the best mango juice? Everyone became instantly serious, as if world peace depended on fruit. The mayor said, "Before we choose a winner, we need careful."
વિચારણા.
Quote. One judge nodded so hard that his glasses nearly resigned. Then the teacher on the judging panel said, "We also need proper.
મૂલ્યાંકન.
We must assess taste, color, price, and whether the juice causes dramatic poetry." Nobody questioned the poetry part. A chef stood up and shouted, "Our main
માપદંડ.
should be taste." A shopkeeper replied, "No, price is the true
માપદંડ.
exclamation mark quote. A child in the back whispered, "My only criterion is whether I get a second glass." Then the mayor raised a finger and declared, "Order. Safety is our top.
પ્રાથમિકતા.
Nobody should explode from too much sugar." A wise statement, honestly. Finally, one long speech about goats was interrupted because it had no
સંગતતા.
to mango juice. Everyone agreed. The goat fan sat down sadly, but respectfully. After much
વિચારણા,
and fair,
મૂલ્યાંકન,
the judges chose a winner using a clear
માપદંડ,
with safety as the main,
પ્રાથમિકતા,
and only comments with
સંગતતા.
allowed. Civilization survived. Word spotlight. Now let's slow down and make each word behave nicely in your memory. Repeat them aloud if you can. Consideration is
વિચારણા,
example, after careful.
વિચારણા,
We made a decision. Assessment is
મૂલ્યાંકન,
example, before the decision, we need an
મૂલ્યાંકન,
quote. Evaluation is also
મૂલ્યાંકન,
example, the teacher gave a fair
મૂલ્યાંકન,
of the project. Criterion is
માપદંડ,
example, price is not the only
માપદંડ,
quote. Scale can also be
માપદંડ,
in the sense of standard or judging scale. Example, we need a clear
માપદંડ,
to judge quality. Priority is
પ્રાથમિકતા,
example, safety is our top
પ્રાથમિકતા,
quote. Relevance is
સંગતતા,
example, this example has no
સંગતતા,
to the topic. Mini dialogue with maximum drama. Here comes a short dialogue. Imagine two co-workers trying to sound professional while secretly panicking. A. Should we decide now? B. No, first we need.
વિચારણા,
A. Fine, then let's do an
મૂલ્યાંકન,
of the situation. B. Good idea. What is our main
માપદંડ,
price, quality, or how shiny the packaging is? A. Shiny packaging should not be our first
પ્રાથમિકતા,
sadly. B. Agreed. And please remove that comment about office astrology. It has no
સંગતતા.
memory tricks. Let's give your brain some sticky little hooks. The sillier they are, the better they work. 4.
વિચારણા,
Imagine a chicken in glasses staring at 2 grains of corn for an hour. That is serious consideration. 4.
मूल्यांकन,
Picture a cat with a clipboard grading homework like a tiny principal. 4.
मापदंड,
Imagine a giant glowing ruler measuring sandwiches by crunch per centimeter. Perfectly normal. 4.
प्राथमिकता,
Picture one task wearing a crown while all the other tasks wait in line and complain. 4.
संगतता,
Imagine a teacher telling a cat who brought a fish to math class, 0.
संगतता,
Quote. Quick practice drill. Your turn. I'll give the English word, and you say the Gujarati word after the pause. Consideration.
विचारणा,
Assessment.
मूल्यांकन,
Evaluation.
मूल्यांकन,
Criterion.
मापदंड,
Scale.
मापदंड,
Priority.
प्राथमिकता,
Relevance.
संगतता,
Tiny quiz, big confidence. Let's see what stuck. No stress. Even if you miss one, you are still smarter than the goat speech. What is the Gujarati word for consideration?
विचारणा,
What is the Gujarati word for assessment or evaluation?
मूल्यांकन,
What is the Gujarati word for criterion or scale?
मापदंड,
What is the Gujarati word for priority?
प्राथमिकता,
What is the Gujarati word for relevance?
संगतता,
Friendly conclusion. Nice work. You just learned a set of useful Gujarati words for thinking, judging, and deciding like a calm genius with a slightly chaotic sense of humor. Today you practiced
विचारणा, मूल्यांकन, मापदंड, प्राथमिकता,
and.
संगतता.
Thank you for listening. Keep practicing, repeat the words aloud, and try using them in your own sentences. Your Gujarati is growing, one smart word at a time.